Hey guys, it's Sydney. Today I'm doing something a little different. I am going on a road trip. I have Elizabeth, I have Danny, and I have a ton of stuff. We're going on a cozy road trip up to Lake Arrowhead. Yes, to our cozy cabin. So I figured I would show you guys some cozy outfit ideas to go home for the holidays. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. We made it to Lake Arrowhead. Before we got into outfits, I wanted to tell you guys about a very exciting giveaway. So if you didn't win last week, that's okay because I have a new one for you. I've teamed up with some of my favorite Instagrammers and YouTubers, including Miss Elizabeth, who I'm traveling with, to give you $1,000 to spend for the holiday season or as you head into the new year. So all the directions to enter are below. You have to follow all of us on YouTube and Instagram and leave a comment saying what you would buy if you win. Okay, so let's start with outfits. I decided to go casual and comfy for my first look because we were going to be in the car. So I just did this cozy turtleneck sweater. What I like about it is it has the little buttons on the side so you can unsnap if you get hot, because sometimes it can get hot in the car, but it's actually kind of cold right now, so I'm gonna put that back. And then my cowboy boots that I wore non-stop in New York City, they're also coming with me to Lake Arrowhead. First stop, we have to get some groceries for our cabin. Yes, so what are we gonna get?
I feel like we need to make a delicious cheese board.
Delicious cheese board.
Maybe some pizza.
Maybe some pizza. Some flowers.
Okay,
spruce up the place.
Oh, s'mores. We need s'mores.
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 And wine, of course.
Yeah.
Before dinner, we're having some drinks with this beautiful view. Are you guys ready for this?
It's so pretty.
It is so pretty here. So one little tip is dressing from head to toe in one color, otherwise known as monochromatic.
You're doing this
makes anything chic, and you can still wear your cozy hats and your cozy boots. So I'm doing beige, and Elizabeth is channeling Meghan Markle in her winter white. This is actually my coat.
Yeah, I'm wearing Sydney's coat and Sydney's sweater.
We are headed off to a casual dinner, so I'm wearing my plaid. I have my Elizabethine, how cute is her little beret? And Danny driving.
Got his puffer coat on. He's puffer coat chic.
One of my favorite parts about traveling with friends is you get to raid their suitcase. So I borrowed this skirt from Elizabeth. I'm obsessed with it. And I paired it with this bell sleeve sweater for another night in Lake Arrowhead. It's our last night in Lake Arrowhead, and it got so much colder.
Yeah, it's freezing.
Freezing. So we have our beanies and turtlenecks, and then Elizabeth brought rain boots.
Yes, I love rain boots.
It's so smart because then you can get them dirty and you don't have to worry about it.
Yes, and when we were canoeing, we like went in the water with them. You don't worry about getting wet.
Oh, it's so nice traveling with you. So nice having a buddy that's the same
Lake
size.
Arrowhead. I know. It's fun sharing.
Bye guys, I'll see you next week.
Bye.
Live on the red carpet. I'm here with Meghan Markle. Sparkle. All the sparkle.
We are going for cocktails.
All stocked up with tons of yummy food. We're
Yeah.
about to devour. But how do we do this? Are you serious? Are you gonna really do that?
We're gonna do it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, is this
Really?
how this goes?
I don't think
Danny,
this is how this
Are you
works.
scared or not?
Let's go.